Tea is like my very favorite. But I love things inspirational. Things like that is what helps keep you going. I have a couple of tricks that I use to keep me going. With going to school and having children, things can get really hectic really fast. And it can be easy to get thrown off track. And it can be easy to find excuses that lets you fall off track and not continue going on the path it is that you have in mind. So you have to do things like have a mug with a saying on it. This says, strength, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. And that things like that help me. Or looking on Pinterest and watching videos on YouTube and different things like that is what helps me stay focused. And also my little smiley babies running around and knowing that one day I will be in a place to give them financial stability. My fear when I first started in August of 2017, just last year, a couple of months ago, I was pregnant, and I started the process to get into school in October, and I was like, I'm not going to be able to do it, because I was listening to what people were telling me, the negative things that people were telling me, able to do anything that you put your mind to. And I'm like, you know what? You're right. I'm going to do this. And I started watching YouTube videos and seeing different people talk about their nursing path and the different things they were able to do and how they got it done. And I just started to visualize my process of what it was that I was going to have to do. And I had to be real with myself. I knew for a fact that it was going to be challenging, and I had to be real with myself, and I had to prepare myself for the things that was going to be challenging. I was going to have a new baby coming soon. I have a 18-month-old on top of a brand new baby. So I'm going to be tired. And then I want to add in school. Yeah, I did. And so I started, and when I first began, I took 2 classes, and those were online completely, so that I was able to work at my pace, but still get the work done that I needed. And after I had my son, I took 3 classes, I believe, and 1 class was in person, and that was chemistry, and then the other ones were online. And this semester I am taking, sorry, I keep spinning in the chair. I have to stop myself from doing that. This semester I am taking 3 courses. I have 1 lab and a lecture. I have a STNA class that my school forces us to take, and I am taking statistics, and my statistics course is online. And the other class that is the lab and the lecture is anatomy and physiology 1. So this semester I will get out of the way my ACT, and I took my ACT in high school, and I don't know where to find my scores, and I feel like I could get a better score now, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that out of the way. And I have to take my TEAS test, and I'm going to wait to take my TEAS until right up until I am up for evaluation, which is in August. And so I will take the TEAS test in July just to give myself enough time to study. I'm really excited. Last semester taught me so much. It taught me so much about time management, taught me a lot about myself, taught me a lot about my family, just a lot. And I had a lot of things going on. For one, I had a baby and I was juggling becoming a new mom again and dealing with the pressure of dealing with 2 children. And like I said, my daughter, she was 18 months at the moment, and my son was a newborn, and my husband, and trying to deal with the whole family dynamic and figure out how to go to school and juggle everything. My son, he gave us a heart attack with a lot of different things. Just a lot was going on. I'm not even gonna go into how that semester went, but with God and the support of my family, I was able to get through that. And that's what you are going to need. You are going to need a huge, huge, huge support system. My husband is so supportive, and my mom, my aunt, you know, like I have a nice amount of support. And so when I need to take a breath for a second, I can count on my husband to be there for me. I can count on him to stay up late with me, because I like to read out loud and I like to read to people and I like to have an interaction. He will stay up so late with me and help me and just let me read to him, and he will converse with me and allow me to learn that way. And he stays with the children, which of course he's their father, so why wouldn't he? But he puts a lot aside for me to be able to go and do the things that I need to do. My family, if I need someone to watch my children, my mom is always there. And just, anyways, support. You're gonna need a lot of support. And I even got some new friends at school, and it's just very helpful to have people that you can count on when you're going through this process of trying to get into the nursing program. The nursing program is going to be really complicated and you're going to need to do a lot of studying, and you're going to have to be extremely dedicated. And I'm learning that already, and I'm not even in the program yet. So support, and being dedicated. If you are a person who needs to visualize things, I would say get a vision board. Go to Michael's, get you a board, and start printing out things and printing out sayings and inspirational quotes and different things and pictures and people you look up to. Just do things that is going to help keep your focus right there in front of you, and that's extremely helpful as well. Being a mom and a wife and going to school can be complicated, but everything is complicated and can be way more complicated if that's what you let it be. If you have an excuse for everything, that excuse you are going to allow to stop you. And there's a lot of things that can happen in the process. You just have to be focused, determined, and know that you have this and it's something that you want to work for to get. My goal is to become, I'm struggling between the two things, but my goal is to go into the master's program and eventually get my doctorate. But I would like to be either a CRNA or a midwife, and I'm working on trying to shadow my midwife and a CRNA so that I can really get the feel for which one I'd like to go, which path I'd like to go down. I'd like to figure it out sooner than later, just so that I can know. I'm the type of person that likes to know what's ahead and plan for that. And so I would like to know if when I get my nursing degree that I'm going to go and work in the labor and delivery floor, or I'm gonna go and work acute care and things like that. So I just like to plan according to whatever it is. So I don't know, I feel like this video is a bunch of rambling, but I just wanted to say, like, I'm a mom and I'm young. I'm 23 years old. I just turned 23 and I have done things very fast paced. I've been married for 3 years and I have 2 children already and they're close in age. And I thought that I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. I thought that that was the life that I wanted. Turns out I still want things for myself. And I'm just now realizing that being a mom doesn't mean that my identity is not... I mean, being a mom is not the identity of your children. You are not just a mom. You can be yourself. You can be whatever you want to be and still be a mom. You can be sexy. You can be funny. You can be smart. You can have a career. You can do all these things. And figuring that out has been pretty cool, scary, because I don't even necessarily know myself yet. It's tough, but life is tough, and if you can overcome the struggles, then you can definitely do it. To get into the nursing program, you want to start with your prereqs, and you want to go and talk to your school's advisor, and you want to apply, and you want to talk to your advisor and have them help you schedule out the first things that you need to take. And you want to frequently talk with your advisor, because your advisor can really help you if you have a good advisor. If you don't have a good advisor, I would suggest that you switch your advisor, because your advisor can be really helpful. There are times when I'm freaking out about what I have to do the next semester, or what it is that I need to do to make sure that my things are going according to plan. And it could be like 7, 8 o'clock. I email my I email my advisor, and he gets back to me in a timely fashion and helps me out. And if I can't make it in the his office, then he will have a phone conference with me, and things like that can be really helpful. So you want to put yourself in place to have things as easy as they can be, if they are able to be easy, like not as challenging as they could be. So you want to talk with your advisor, you want to get your plan together and start knocking out those courses. Not talking with your advisor can make you take a lot of extra courses that you really don't need to, and have you doing a lot of extra stuff that you don't need if you just are looking at what people put on the site. And start that work and do good at it, and watch YouTube videos. YouTube videos have been helping me. And study. You want to get some really good grades and you want to time manage. Everybody stresses that, and it can't be stressed enough. Time management is key, and you're going to need time management for everything. And I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I've been rambling this entire video, but hopefully there have been some things that have helped you out. I plan to do more nursing videos. I would like this channel to be a beauty channel / showing the process of my journey into my nursing profession. So all right, everyone, love you guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Subscribe. Help your girl out. I got 5 subscribers right now, and I'm grateful for those 5. But hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment box below and tell me some video ideas that you would like to see from me, and some topics that you would like for me to touch on if that's what you're into. All right, everyone. Love y'all. Bye.